What I got for you in this video is 100% for free for a limited time, a brand new 100% free video trainer reveals how I've made over $103,403.39 in affiliate commissions with just 13 minutes of work per day. This is I Am Affiliate Funnel 2 training for free from Kevin Fahey. You see him right here. This is going to show you why affiliate marketing is the best way to get started, simply because, just like you see here, no coming up with product ideas or dealing with product creation, no building out complicated sales funnels, no hiring copywriter designers or coders, no recruiting JVs or affiliates, no special technical skills are required, and you really can get started today and make money within 24 hours. Again, this is 100% free for a limited time. I Am Affiliate Funnel 2, link in the description. All you have to do is head over, click the yellow button that you see right here to get your free download. And what you'll get is the training course. As you see here in my IMVP training student portal, this is I Am Affiliate Funnel right here. It's 3 modules, 18 lessons, 15 templates. I Am Affiliate Funnel 2.0. Module 1, Lesson 1.1, Affiliate Marketing Introduction. Lesson 1.2, Research Products on JVZoo and Warrior Plus. Lesson 1.3, Planning in Advance. 1.4, 13-minute affiliate promo. 1.5, social media. Lesson 1.6, email traffic. 1.7, paid advertising. 1.8, finding fresh traffic. 1.9, advanced affiliate methods. Simply click on one of the modules. You go in here, you see this is a 16-minute, 43-second video. It is an affiliate marketing introduction. It's going to explain to you what affiliate marketing is. It's going to talk to you about the different types of affiliate marketing. For example, CPA, CPS, CPL, commissions per action, per sale, and per lead, plus understanding the most important term, which is EPC, which is earnings per click, meaning that is what you earn. Again, this is free. You'll get access to I Am Affiliate Funnel 2.0 lessons, all the lessons you see here. Again, click the link in the description, pop over, press this yellow button, free download. And again, here's exactly what you're going to get for free inside I Am Affiliate Funnel 2.0. 6 modules of step-by-step training and 10 easy-to-follow videos. Inside, you're going to get step-by-step video training. You'll get everything you need to start making money in a little of 24 hours. If and when you take action, you'll also discover the best free traffic methods for affiliate marketing, how to quickly scale your income from $100 to $300 per day. Everything's over the shoulder. In those training videos, you're also going to get access to the Ultimate Affiliate Resource Package, as well as the entire I Am Funnel 1.0 training course. You're going to get some done-for-you bonus templates, the ABC Marketing Method Training, the Perfect Affiliate Promotion Training, as well as the Solo Ad Escape PDF report. This is a tell-all report where you'll discover the exact steps you need to take to replace your job, how Kevin Fahey escaped the world of selling solo ads and started making money as an affiliate marketer. And all you need to do to get started is take the step of clicking the link in the description, landing on this page, click this yellow button for a free download. It will take you to this Warrior Plus checkout page. You will get free access by entering your details and clicking Get Free Access. Again, 100% free for a limited time. I Am Affiliate Funnel 2. Click the link in the description. Free download. Grab it now while it's free. Recommended training from Kevin Fahey. Learn everything you need to know about affiliate marketing for free for a limited time. Link in the description, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.